Beautiful large 1 bedroom in Flushing. This is entrance. A large living room, beautiful hardwood floors, high ceiling, lots of light during the day. On the left is a kitchen. Beautiful kitchen, a lot of cabinets. Comes with a dishwasher. And this is the exhaust. More cabinets. Fridge and stove will be installed today. There's another closet here. Linen closet here. Some stuff here. This is the bedroom. A large bedroom can fit a king size or queen size bed with a dresser. It comes with 2 closets, double door closet. And closet here. Bathroom all renovated, very clean, beautiful tiles. Beautiful apartment, elevator building, laundry in the building. Near banks, restaurant, grocery shops. Near 7 train. An apartment is very good price, gonna go very quick. If you want to view it, call me or text me so we can schedule a viewing. Thanks for watching the video. Have a wonderful day.